Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another video on the Symmetry tool. I started playing around with it a little bit more. And so we're just going to start a new project. We're going to go up to Object and create a symmetry, create a new symmetry. It always comes up with one, I guess that's default. And I'm going to add like 12 of them. That gives us this. Now, what I have learned about it, if you take your 2-point line, start moving and hold down your control button, of course it does that. But if you'll get your pick tool and put it right here in this, grab the 4-point cross and move it to the center, then you have that pattern. So that's not that big a deal. But this is your symmetry. So now we're going to grab the distort tool and we're going to grab the zipper and we're going to go right here to smooth distortion and we're going to start adding nodes. And if you'll see, it's adding nodes. Then we go over here and add how much is off, and look at this, what it's doing. It's making everything perfect. Now you can make that and rotate it, but this is kind of cool because you can see it firsthand what it's going to do. I'm trying to zoom in here. Then you could take, say, your 3-point curve line, and you don't want to go across, you just want to go to this dotted line. So we go up here, hold down the control button. Well, maybe not quite so much, but look at that. Then it did that. Then you can take any other tool, and let's just use the 2-point. Well, you know what? Let's use the freehand tool. And we're just going to come off that line and just do that. And look at it, it's put it on all 12 sides. And I am no artist whatsoever. But then you could put anything else in there. Let's, I don't know that you'd want to, you could, if you had a snowflake, you could bring in a snowflake. Let's just use the ellipse and then put the ellipse. So this is your ellipse here. Put it in the center, hit the plus key on your keyboard, move it down to that one, put it on the center, hit your plus key on your keyboard, move it down there, and see it's doing everything automatically for you so you can kind of look at it in real time. Now you can go to finish and break the link apart and it makes it that. Then we could go up to object, group, and ungroup. And by doing that, and if you'll notice the lines inside the ellipses right here, if we take it all and select the whole thing and weld it, then those little bitty lines disappear. Takes a little bit of time because Corel's having to do a lot of work. But if you look, now it's something pretty cool. And you could still change the thickness of the line and change the color it's a line. So you're going to right click and make it whatever color you want. That's pretty cool. And then you could also, play with it more and take your virtual segment delete key and delete this inner part. And have a completely different object. You could make some pretty cool snowflakes with this. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.